So guys, I actually wanted to do this a long time ago, but I couldn't put the idea or make the idea make sense. But with a virtual vision board, you pretty much just take a picture of yourself or record yourself and add graphics behind you. And then once you get to a point where all of the graphics are what you want them to, represent for your year, take a screenshot and that's your vision board. Now you can either, of course, print it out or have it in your phone as a reference. Doesn't matter to me. Or you can do it old school where you have the, poster board and everything like that. I am going to print this out and make this my vision board for myself and for you all. So the very first word that I'm going to add to my vision board is the word ownership. As you guys know, I just started this brand and, whole concept really in August of 2020. Yeah, 2020. So 6 months going, 5 going on 6 months. And, every brand owner, business owner, entrepreneur wants ownership of everything they have. So I'll just leave it at that. I want to be able to own my own. Own my home eventually, and I link that under ownership because that's a big deal, and pay my car off. That's one thing I really want to do to kind of get myself started. So number 2, I'm gonna put this right over here next to my head because that's where I need it to go, and that's healthiness, in my hair, of course, in my body, in my mental, everything that involves health. I want to improve. Of course, me doing this is a sign of growth in terms of me actually cutting my hair and doing something different like I said I would. But now it's just, making sure that my hair is healthy from now all the way up until December and then, of course, beyond that. But being healthy is not just in my hair for me. It's actually a body health. I plan to tone up, lose a little bit of this quarantine weight. And just make sure that when I'm off camera I'm healthy and I'm good and I'm happy just as well as I am on camera. So I feel like that all ties into the health, overall health that I have, whether it be good or bad, and of course improving that. So my second piece to put on the wall or our board is health, good health. I should probably say that, good health, because we don't need no bad health. So number 3, I'm gonna put this up here. It really should be number 1, but whatever. Consistency. That's the word that I'm gonna write up here. It is really tailored to, of course, YouTube and just me with my brand. I want to be able to produce content to almost to the point where you guys know when the clock strikes whatever time, Tyler done dropped another video. FRObae dropped another video. Like, I want to get to that point where my body kind of gets acclimated to the routine. Now, that's not to say that I'm becoming a machine or a robot. Absolutely not. I'm also going to be real with myself and allow myself time to, sleep, rest, my face to heal, and, all of this other stuff, and my hair to heal. Okay? But when I am on, and I say on, like, just providing content and in my zone, I want to be able to then convert it and transform it and boom, right back to y'all. So consistency is something that I'm working on even right now. I could have waited to record this video, but I was like, nope, I know I gotta have a video for y'all or something for y'all, because I know that natural hair goes 365. You don't really get a break sometimes. So there's that. Also, with my dieting and just how I choose to eat certain things and certain foods, I want to be consistent with developing a food schedule, because I am an emotional eater. So happy, sad, confused, I'm like, might as well eat. And that ain't necessarily the case. It don't have to be the case all the time. Y'all forgive me for messing with my hair. I really get better at accepting the fact that my hair is straight. Anyway, consistency, to say the least, is something that I'm really trying to work on. And you guys, please, I always ask because I always feel like YouTube content is tailored towards its viewers, to its viewers. You guys let me know what you want to see. Let me know what you're missing, like what I'm missing, what I can do better, what what you would want throughout this entire 2021. Make sure to drop it in the comments below. You can email me, DM me, it don't matter. I always ask for your suggestions, your feedback, because you guys are the drive for me. So me being consistent also means consistently getting feedback from you all so that I can take it and apply it for the next video. Or I'm gonna put an airplane. Yes. Airplane emoji, or just an airplane above me, right up here, because I am making it my duty to travel this year. I haven't traveled since 2018. 2018 or 2019, but it's been a while. I haven't been anywhere. So I'm just making it my business to kind of take time for myself, travel, see the world, see my friends and family that may not live in Georgia, and just kind of, see the world. Like, I did a lot of traveling when I was younger, but it was for like competitions and stuff. But now that I'm older, I'm like, all right, like we have a passport for what? Like, you need to go somewhere. So yes, I know that's a simple goal, but my goal is to get out there and travel, see the world, see the heights. I am an adventurous girl, which makes traveling just much more pleasing to me. So yeah, number 4, we are going to be traveling. Oh, that I need to add on here. See if I can find the word sponsorship. Being that I am a baby YouTuber, baby content creator, a newbie to most of this, I am finding ways to either be taught or teach myself how to become sponsored. I just think that it's time for me to kind of step out of my comfort zone, and that's probably another word that I'm going to add up here, because I want to step out of my comfort zone. When I said this in a previous video, like, I know y'all like, girl, you have a comfort zone? Yes, I have a comfort zone. I get really anxious and insecure about certain things, but it's only because when it's my baby, I don't want anybody to hurt my baby, if you get what I'm saying. And I told myself this year, okay, we're gonna do it. We're gonna set ourselves up, as we are telling each other, I am a content creator, so I need to present myself as a content creator. It's a little weird, but sometimes you just gotta do it scared. And I think I like that better than anything else. Do it scared. I'm gonna put that somewhere over there. Do it scared. Hey guys, and of course I want to work with Fenty. Like, I truly feel like I could do a visual or something with Fenty or with Rihanna. Like, it's gonna be on my vision board until I check it off. I'm gonna put Fenty over here, and I'm gonna put Beyonce over here, because Ivy Park, what? And I know that's like not really natural hair related, but I could see myself on Ivy Park's magazine wearing Ivy Park with my fro. I see it, especially with this color. Oh yeah. If anybody's watching that works for Beyonce, I mean, I know I probably don't look like the pictures yet, but hey, call me. I'm just kidding. No, not really. But yeah, definitely a big feature or a big collab or I don't even know what to even call it. A blessing. Okay guys, this wraps up my vision board, my virtual vision board party tutorial thing. If you guys liked it, feel free to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We are almost at 1K. I need you guys to help me get there so I can tell y'all the dates of this merch that's coming soon. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, this is something for you to do. Hopefully you learned from me. Let me know if you have a goal that you want to reach before the end of the year, and I will hold you accountable. All right, see y'all in the next one.